Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial today. Today we're going to talk about installing new fonts on your Windows computer. So let's say you went onto a website and you saw a certain font that you really liked. Now chances are it would be somewhere in Google. Google has its own font repository. So what you could do is you could simply do a Google search for Google fonts. Okay, and the very first link, fonts.google.com, is something you have to click on. Once you're there, just look up your favorite font. You could, they have all the fonts listed right on the very first page. You could just scroll, or if you know the name, let's say Montserrat, you could just type that in and it will give you the font. So let's try and download a font here. Let's see, which one do I like? Okay, let's say I like this one. Okay, I'll just click on this. It'll take me to the page for that specific font. I'm going to select this font. Okay, and once that is done, I'm going to download this selection. Okay, you could do it one font at a time, or you could select multiple font families and you could download the font. So for now, let's just do one. I'm going to select download. I'm going to allow this particular font to download, and there it is. So this is a zip file. I click on that and it will open up in WinRAR for me. So now we're going to extract the contents of this file here, and it will extract to whichever folder you want. So let's say Source Sans Pro in my downloads folder, and I go ahead and extract it to that folder, and it's done. So now, in order to install this on your computer, what you need to do is you need to go into that particular folder. Just went here, Source Sans Pro, click on this. Okay, and you would have to select all the fonts, not the text file. So I'll just select all the fonts and copy those. Once that is done, you now go into Control Panel. So I already have a shortcut, but let me just do a search. Control Panel. Once in the Control Panel, click on Appearance and Personalization. I'm actually using Windows 10, but other than the actual act of navigating to this particular selection, everything else should be the same on other versions of Windows as well. So once you're there, Appearance and Personalization, go into Fonts, and this will show you all the list of fonts that's currently being installed on the computer. Once that opens up, okay, here just click on this bit and paste the fonts that you had currently copied. Okay, so it's already installed. I just want to, okay, alright, so this was already installed. And now when you do open up let's say a file, Windows Word, or in my case LibreOffice, that's what I use. So if I use a LibreOffice document and look for that particular font, it would be in the list of fonts. So that's how you download and install a font. Again, if you have any more questions about this, do leave the comments. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe and share the video. Thank you so very much.